Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the shower door cleaning saga. In today's video, I'm going to be using a mixture of vinegar and Dawn dish detergent. This is the third video I've done on cleaning this shower door, so I'll put a card up top here as well as some links down in the description to the previous videos that I've done. And the first video I did was on Clorox bathroom bleach foamer. The second video was on CLR's foaming action cleaner. And then of course today's video is on the vinegar and Dawn. Now the whole reason I'm even doing this video is I got some comments on the previous videos and the vinegar and Dawn was one of the things people recommended. Somebody else also recommended Kaboom, so I'm going to give this a shot too today just to see how it works in comparison to the vinegar with Dawn. So to do this, all you're going to need, of course, is the Dawn and the vinegar. You're going to want a measuring cup and a spray bottle. This is a pretty small spray bottle. I think we got this at the dollar store. It holds up to 10 ounces, which is just over a cup. Now, the research that I did basically say to do 50-50 Dawn and vinegar, but they also said that it can be very sudsy, so you might want to go a little heavy on the vinegar. So because this takes just over a cup, I'm going to do 2/3 of a cup of vinegar and then fill it up to a cup with dish soap. We're going to see how that goes, and if I have to adjust it at all, I will, but based on what I saw, everybody says that's a pretty good ratio. Then you're just going to need a spoon to mix it up, and then you're going to need whatever you want to clean it with. So I'm just going to use a sponge. Another lady used a rag, and then two of the people that I watched used like the sponge that has the handle where you put the stuff in it. That way they don't have to spray it on, it's all just in there, but it was kind of making a mess, and I didn't really want to do that. So I'm just going to spray it on, and then it's in this container, and I've got it ready to go for the next time, unless I use this whole thing, which you never know. So let's give this a shot. All right, so I put 2/3 of a cup of vinegar and then filled it up to the 1 cup mark with the dish detergent. And I went a little extra heavy on the dish detergent just so it was in between like a 1/3, 2/3 ratio and a 50-50 ratio. So it didn't seem like anybody was doing an exact science on this. It's kind of like you got to play with your science project here and figure out what the best solution is for your bathroom. And then I'm just going to put it in this little bottle and we're going to get to work. All right, I'm all ready to go. I'm going to bring this in there with my sponge and we'll get started. Okay, here's the Dawn and the vinegar. I'm going to spray some on the sponge too just to get it wet. I'm just going to move it around. Well, that's pretty impressive. I mean, it immediately took the stuff off. There's still some like deep water spots, so if I flip the sponge over and use the scrubby side, it might help a little more. But it took off all that surface crud immediately. So I'm assuming a lot of people said you have to let it sit, but I mean, can you see the difference already? I haven't even wiped it with water yet. That's just the mixture on here. Pretty impressive. Let me rinse it off quick. Well, I would say that's a win. That worked great. I barely did any work to get that to work, and I didn't have to use any harsh chemicals. So, I mean, you could see the difference where I cleaned it and where I didn't, right? I mean, you could see my black shorts on this side. You can't even tell what I'm wearing on that side. So, night and day difference. Now, just because I'm curious and someone recommended it, I'm going to try this Kaboom as well. Oh, I got to wash off the sponge. Okay, clean sponge. Honestly, I could feel this get clean when I was wiping it. This doesn't feel like it's getting clean. So just on first impressions, the Dawn is better than Kaboom. As well as the fact that this has bleach in it and now it really stinks in here and I want to get out of here as fast as possible. So I can see it in the monitor, but it's much cleaner on the Dawn side than it is on the Kaboom side. For instance, you can, again, tell my shorts are black here, but on this side, it's still covered with some schmegma. So the Dawn and Vinegar did a way better job than the Kaboom with the bleach. So I'm super impressed by how well that actually worked. Dawn and Vinegar, so far out of all the products that I've tried, is the winner. It is amazing. All the other ones have amazed me, but this has taken it to a whole new level. It just took that off so easily. I didn't have to scrub at all, and there's no harsh chemicals whatsoever. It's just kind of like natural ingredients. Although I'm not sure Dawn is a natural ingredient, but it's a lot less harsh than bleach, which is what is in this, which is what is in the Kaboom, and who knows what is in CLR. Check out all my links down in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. You can check out my other videos on those other shower products as well. And I do a whole bunch of other things on this channel. This is a carpentry how-to and business videos and plowing. And because I installed this shower and I have customers that deal with this issue, I have people that don't get glass showers because they don't want to clean it. And I've been searching for a product to tell people like, no, you can get a glass shower, you just gotta find the right things. And now I get to tell them, go out and get some Dawn and some Vinegar. All right, so now I gotta get to work and finish cleaning this. I'm actually really excited to do it because it's always a chore and I think it's gonna go super fast now that I have this. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.